Hello, what's up guys? In this video we are going to fix this. What is this? You see, in Windows 10 sometimes it happens and all the text everywhere becomes fuzzy and blurry. So here you can see it's a little blurry, and here you can see when you read or open websites on your web browsers, all the texts are blurry and fuzzy. So let's fix it. It's very easy. Before going to fix this, if you want you can subscribe me on YouTube, or if you don't, it's okay, no problem. If the video was useful, give a like, that's enough. So let's come to start menu. Here you type clear type, yeah, and open it. Here you see it is turned off. This problem happens when this option is turned off, yeah, and we have to turn it on and then click the next. Now you check which one is looks better to your eyes, which one is, I don't know, but I want to select the first one, then next, then this one, because it looks like stronger and bold. I think this one is also not bad. And now the first one, it depends on you which one you prefer, but I'd like to choose this one, yeah, and next and finish. After giving a restart to my system, it will be done. Let me restart it and then we will compare the text or fonts of this page. There we are. Now you can see it's completely changed and all the texts are shown and seems very nice and strong. So that's it guys. If you want more video tutorials like this, then you can subscribe to my channel. Have a good time. Goodbye.